Hi mga Mars! I-share ko lang pala ang super affordable wipes na na-order ko para sa family ko at lalo na sa kids ko. Alam kong pamilyar kayo rito and some of you are Clean Pan products user. I'm super satisfied mom with Clean Pan Cherry Blossom and Clean Pan Aloe Vera Scent Wipes. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Nabili ko nga lang itong dalawang variants, 10 packs na for as low as 244 lang. Ang mura at sulit, di ba Mars? 80 sheets na nga ang laman isang pack, kaya gustong gusto ko ang Clean Pant wipes, no harsh ingredients, extra soft and bigger sheets, enriched with aloe vera, with vitamin E, with fruit extract, very moist, hypoallergenic, safe for sensitive skin, FDA approved and no harmful chemicals. Pareho mabango pa ang scents. Safe and gentle for baby's delicate skin, best for newborn, and perfect for the whole family. Mag-check out ka na Mars dahil ongoing ang 4th birthday blowout sale ni Clean Pan. Ang bongga sa dami ng sale ni Clean Pan ngayong 4th anniversary. Kaya happy si Mami pati na ang bulilit ko.